In this video, I will show you how to fix Dragon Ball Sparking Zero communication error. If you are using Windows 10, go to Windows search bar and type System Updates. Click on it and wait for it to load. Click Check for updates. If updates are available, install them. Restart your computer and try running the game again. If you are using Windows 11, many users report that Windows 11 version 24H2 causes compatibility issues. Rolling back to Windows 11 version 23H2 may help. To roll back, press Windows I button to open settings. Go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Under Go back to previous version of Windows, click Get Started. Back up your files before rolling back. If it doesn't help, the next step is to update your motherboard BIOS. If updating Windows doesn't help, you might need to update your BIOS. Open Windows search bar, type msinfo32 and click System Information. Find baseboard product. This is your motherboard model. Search for Update BIOS on your browser. You have to choose your motherboard model to do this. Download the latest BIOS update from the official manufacturer's website and follow their instructions. Restart your PC and try running the game again. If it also doesn't help, then resetting your network settings might help. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD and run as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one and pressing enter after each. Then restart your computer and try launching the game again. That's it. These steps should help you fix the communication error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zone. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.